Today, we are doing a house tour of a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom house for sale nestled within the community of Spring Mountain Ranch in Riverside, California. Our spotlight today is on the KB Homes Avalon model home tour, enhanced with optional builder upgrades showcasing the epitome of modern living. Step into luxury with this sprawling 2-story home, boasting an expansive 2,053 square feet of meticulously designed space. The heart of hospitality is in the great room, where entertaining guests take center stage. Adorned with recessed lighting and a designated wall space perfect for mounting your TV, the great room offers both functionality and elegance. Positioned adjacent to the kitchen and dining area, it creates a seamless flow for entertaining and everyday living. Experience convenience with the kitchen's pantry, offering smart and spacious storage solutions for all your culinary essentials. Indulge in culinary delight within the kitchen's realm of beauty, boasting exquisite countertops and a charming backsplash. Equipped with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances including an oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher. Culinary mastery awaits at every turn. This single basin sink provides a view of the side yard, and with a dishwasher beside it, ensuring effortless functionality in your kitchen. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California region and would like me to represent you and be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Gather around the center island's inviting breakfast bar, perfect for casual dining or quick bites. This versatile space offers ample storage below, combining practicality with style in your culinary haven. Illuminate your dining experience with the dining area sliding glass door, inviting abundant natural light to grace your gatherings. Step into the backyard where a plethora of opportunities for leisure and enjoyment await, enabling you to fully embrace the splendor of Southern California's beautiful weather. Whether it's tending to a garden, diving into a good book, or simply basking in the warm sun, this space is perfect for indulging in moments of relaxation and rejuvenation. Isn't this home simply beautiful? And with its size, there's even more to discover. Let's continue our journey and explore the upstairs area together. If you're considering selling your home in the Southern California area and wish to be represented and featured on this channel, please don't hesitate to reach out. And for more captivating videos like this, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for instant notifications, ensuring you never miss out on any exciting updates. The first bedroom features a window that welcomes natural light, recessed lighting for added illumination, and a closet, all complemented by plush carpeting underfoot. The second bedroom boasts windows for natural light, recessed lighting, plush carpeting, and a convenient closet, ensuring comfort and functionality for its occupants. Discover the guest bathroom, complete with cabinets, a sink, a mirror, a toilet, and a shower within the bathtub, providing convenience and comfort for your visitors. Explore explore this expansive loft adorned with windows, offering abundant natural light and versatility. Whether it's unwinding, studying, enjoying game nights, or hosting slumber parties, this spacious area provides the perfect setting for a variety of activities. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them. And if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video so far, we would greatly appreciate it if you can give it a like. Your support means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. The owner's suite is quite nice. It has windows, recessed lighting, and is carpeted with views of the backyard. The ensuite primary bathroom is like an oasis and very spacious. You will also find a private water closet with a toilet. It also has the convenience of a linen closet, ensuring that towels and essentials are always within reach. A standout feature of the primary suite is the generously sized master walk-in closet. This roomy retreat accommodates both winter and summer wardrobes with ease, adding an extra layer of convenience to your daily routine. Experience the sophistication and practicality in this meticulously crafted space. The bathroom itself is a testament to indulgence. You have a choice between a luxurious bathtub or a refreshing shower, ensuring a personalized bathing experience tailored to your preferences. It also has recessed lighting, cabinets, and dual sinks. The owner's suite is quite spacious and a beautiful retreat. This home is equipped with both heating and air conditioning systems, ensuring optimal comfort throughout the year. As you navigate the hallway, you'll encounter a convenient storage closet, providing extensive space for organizing everyday essentials. Now let's step into the well-equipped laundry room, complete with washer and dryer hookups, a sink, and convenient cabinets for all your laundry needs. If you're considering putting your Southern California home on the market, we'd be delighted to represent you. And for all our viewers who don't want to miss out on more fantastic home tours like this one, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. This home incorporates environmentally friendly features, including dual pane, energy-efficient Lowy glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, and recessed LED lighting, promoting sustainability and energy efficiency. The community is governed by a homeowners association and enjoys proximity to shopping amenities and major freeways, offering convenience and accessibility for residents. Experience the epitome of California living in this magnificent home, a place where elegance meets comfort, and every detail is crafted with your utmost satisfaction in mind. Welcome home to Spring Mountain Ranch, where dreams become reality. There is direct access to the 2-car garage, however it was locked during our home tour. The powder bathroom offers a touch of elegance with its essential amenities, including a toilet and a pedestal sink, creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing space for your convenience. In the front of the home, you will find a coat closet in the front entry, offering not only a space for coats but also serving as an excellent storage solution for various items. If you enjoyed this home, you will love these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area and want to sell your house or buy your next home, please call me, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Please consider also subscribing, and I'll see you in the next 2 videos.